Want to know how to add a device to the Google Play Store? This isn't a manual Add Device button you tap. Instead, your device is automatically linked to Google Play when you sign in with your Google account. No worries. Here's how to ensure your device is properly connected without a hassle. Solution 1. Sign in with your Google account on the device. The primary way a device gets added to Google Play is by signing in with your Google account on that specific device. From your Android phone, open your device's Settings app, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Again, scroll down and tap Accounts and Sync. Now tap on Add Account. Select Google from the list of account types. Now provide your email and password. Once you're signed in, your device will automatically be linked to your Google Play account. To confirm, open the Google Play Store app on that device and try downloading the free app. This account helps you to activate the connection. Solution 2. Add account directly within the Google Play Store app if already signed in. If you have multiple Google accounts and want to link your device to another one for Google Play purchases, open the Google Play Store app on the device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap the down arrow next to your current email address. Tap Add Another Account. Now sign in with the new Google account. Once added, you can switch between accounts within the Play Store by tapping your profile icon and selecting the desired account. This device will now be linked to both accounts. And that's it. By signing in with your Google account on your device, you automatically add it to Google Play. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.